Hello guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to make a reversible satin bonnet, and these are the materials we need. So you need your shawl, your measuring tape, your satin pin, your elastic, pins, scissors, and the materials. Okay, so this material is 28 inches by 28 inches. Same thing for the satin. So I'm going to place both of them front side facing each other. So I'm going to use my pin to hold it. Okay, I've secured my fabric together with pin, so I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to fold it again. So we are going to cut out our radius. So I'm using the radius of 13 inches. You can use more than that, you can even use smaller than that. So I'm basically measuring 13 inches round in order to cut out our radius. So 13 inches round, 13 inches round. So I've measured the 13 inches round. So after that, we are going to cut it out. So after cutting it out, this is how it will look like. This is very big. So what you are going to do next is to secure it round with a pin. After that, we are going to go and sew it by ½ inch. Okay, I've secured both fabric with pin. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to sew it round by ½ inch. So I'm going to stop somewhere at least 2 inches of 1/4, 1½ inch, where I'm going to turn it out. I've gone to sew it round by 4/8. So I've also left 2 inches where I'm going to turn it out. So we are turning it out, inside out. So I've turned it out. This is how it looks after turning it out. So the next thing I'm going to do, and okay, you can see the opening I left. So yeah, so after that, what we are going to do next is to sew 1 inch round. So from this point, just sew 1 inch round the circle. So that will be the place we are going to put in our elastic. Okay, I've sewn it round, and you can see the traces of the shock I marked. So I mark 1 inch from this edge. So, and I also sew it round. So the next thing we are going to do is to insert our elastic. So the measurement you are going to use for your elastic is, you are going to measure around your head and minus 3 inches from it. So that is it. So we are inserting our elastic from that initial opening we left. So you are going to shook in your elastic, shook it in. So I'm going to go to the sewing machine and secure this together. So I've gone to stitch both elastic together. So I'm going to put it inside. Our satin bonnet is ready. So the next thing you are going to do is to stitch up this place. So after that, our satin bonnet is ready. So we are going to go to our sewing machine to stitch up this place. Okay, I've gone to stitch up the opening, and our satin bonnet is ready. So guys, please do well to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.